is your favorite tennis player here?
Ki a kedvenced itt?
Ljubicic.
It's a time for Mr. Ivan Ljubičić. Ivan is here. Idemo jedan veliki aplauz za našeg gosta. In this moment you are 29, 30, 31.
Ranking or age?
No, age. Your age, your age.
31.
And who was your tennis idol?
Stefan Edberg.
Stefan Edberg from Sweden. It's Mr. Gentleman. Oh, gentleman on the net.
Gentleman on the net. I'm not going to the net, but I'm trying to be a gentleman. Tennis, it's not the time you spend on court. It's also what you eat, how much you sleep, who are you listening to, what you want to become, and all that. It's not only, you come on court, play, and then you go home, and it's more than that. It's a life.
He's a winner, Ivan Ljubičić. Molim ruku, pozdrav.
Je li naporno? Koliko trenirate?
Ne. Svaki dan 1 sat. Pa vikendima baš ne.
Uvijek idealna atmosfera, stvarno opuštanje tokom dana, onda na večer kad krenu mečevi, onda zato vidite stvarno jako puno tijesnih mečeva jer su svi igrači spremni i željni pokazati baš ovdje svoj najbolji tenis.
Umag, sport ili odmor?
Sport za mene je broj 1, apsolutno. A odmor apsolutno nakon toga, ali za mene je sport broj 1.